May ipapakita akong video sa inyo kung sino ang nag-utos ng pag-transfer ng 89 na bilyon PhilHealth Fund. Maaring nakita nyo na ang video na ito, pero hindi nyo lang pinansin ng husto.
So legally, lusot kayo, but for me, morally, unacceptable po itong pag-transfer. Marami pang naghihingalo ng mga kababayan natin. Walang pambayad sa hospital.
But Senator, I am just an ordinary member of this government. I was asked to do something. How can I go against it, sir?
Sa lahat ng magiging desisyon mo, isipin mo parate yung mga mahirap, yung mga pasyenteng naghihingalo na walang pambayad. Isipin mo lang parate yun. Isipin mo lang parate.
Thank you for that, Senator. Then, Senator, one more thing before I read my very brief opening statement. Again, with regards to the 89.9 billion, because, it's not only you, Honorable Senator, it's not only Honorable Raffy Tulfo. Everyone is texting me, calling me, saying, ba't hindi mo inisip yung health concerns ng mga tao, pera ng health yan, bakit mo ginagawa yan? Again, I want to reiterate to this Honorable Committee and to everyone here in this room, I received a directive, which emanated from a cabinet meeting led by President Marcos, asking me to remit the 89.9 billion. So like a good soldier, I am following them, I received a directive, which emanated from a cabinet meeting led by President Marcos, asking me to remit the 89.9 billion.